Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas 2018 by Faodail Creation. So every single day right up to the 24th of December I'm going to be releasing a video, and it's going to be inspiration like sewing or anything fabric related and how I'm decorating my house for this Christmas. So this is going to be day one. Let's start with the front door. I have formed 3 piles of fabric for our holiday wreath. I have red section, I have a green section and a white section. It doesn't really matter if it has pictures on the actual fabric. It's going to get hidden anyway. What is going to get noticed is the colour that's showing through. So as you can see, I'm going to be using my scraps, and this is the perfect project to use these guys up. It's up to you. You can cut into some new stuff. I'm opting to go scrappy. Obviously it's going to take me a bit longer because I am doing it this way. I'm basically going to end up with lots and lots of piles of red, green and white strips, 5 inches by 1.5. So guys, I'll be honest with you, I am not starching these things. They are going on a wreath. It's not going to get washed. And anyway, that fray is going to be kind of nice and decorative. I purchased my wreath from the dollar store and it was, I think, like $2 some, and it's 14 inches in diameter. I can't tell you how many of these to cut. It's going to depend on the fullness that you want of your wreath. You're basically going to pick a size and you are going to tie it. Like so. And you're just going to start building all around your wreath. So I'm going to keep all this section white, then go red, then green, and go all the way around the wreath. I've currently created 2 sections so far, and I still have another 4 to go. So here we go, it's all complete. How cute does that look? It takes around, I want to say, like 3 hours to tie it all around the wreath, but it's worth it. Look how cute it looks. So all we have to do now is get it hung on the door. So let's go.